Welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm going to be starting some seeds. I actually started them like 2 weeks ago, and it was a nice Sunday last weekend, and I put them in the little greenhouse I have, but I didn't have the stakes in, and it fell over in the wind and everything got knocked out, so now I got to start over. But I got these in the mail this week, so it kind of worked out because I can start these too. I got these jalapenos. They're not supposed to be as spicy as jalapenos. And then I got these habanadas, and they're not supposed to be as hot as habaneros. And then I got these Sugar Rush Peach, which I watched somebody make some hot sauce with them last summer that looked really good. So I wanted to try all those. So we're going to see what happens. My strawberries sort of made it. See, they're sprouting. I was supposed to plant these like 10 weeks before our last frost. And our last frost date is in like 2 weeks. So we'll see if they make it. But that's about the only thing that made it out of my first batch of trying to plant seeds. So I'll bring you down here and we'll show you how I get it started. So I just use this Jiffy seed starting mix. And I just take my little 6-pack, scoop it in there, get it all filled up. So it's about like that. So I got them all filled up over here. I just have to start putting seeds in them. So I think we'll start with these new ones and then get the rest of them going. And I put like 2 seeds to each little pack and just kind of squish it down a little bit in there. Make sure it's covered. I bought some blueberry plants, blackberry, raspberry, and boysenberry. So hopefully later on this week I can get out there and plant those. And then make sure you label them, because last year I labeled them but they all disappeared on my little sticks and I had no clue what I had growing. So we had a really big drought last year here, so it didn't matter anyways, because the only thing I ended up getting was watermelon and cucumbers and okra. We had a lot of all of that. And you don't want these packed real tight, you want to keep it loose. But you don't have to go out and get these either. You could just use like old milk jugs or any kind of little plastic container and just put some holes in it so some of the water can get out and you're good to go. And if y'all found a good idea for how to label them, let me know, because I just can't. The wooden sticks, everything gets rained off of it. The plastic sticks, it rains and the letters come off, even using a Sharpie. So I don't know. These are some pepper sweet. And I watched somebody and they said you can make like dried paprika out of them. So we're going to try that this year. We actually did get quite a few green bell peppers last year, but my younger dog liked to go out there and eat them before I got around to picking them because they were still small. So he liked those, and he liked all the okra too. Where'd my stick go? Get some tomatoes over here in this one. These are just some little cherry tomatoes. And it's so much cheaper if you're able to start your own seeds than to buy starts. Because a package of seeds could last you a couple seasons depending on how much you plan on planting. And you only get one start for about the price of a package of seeds. And then we got some beefsteak tomatoes. Because most of these are ones that I planted last year, and I'm just finishing off the package now. Timmy, stop. Quiet. And then Roma tomatoes. And if you get them planted too close together, once they start sprouting, you can spread them out a little bit. And when they get bigger, I'll put them in like little plastic cups by themselves so they have more room to grow until I'm ready to put them outside. Come back into these three and see what other kind of peppers we got. We got some Anaheim, some Hungarian wax, some regular habaneros, banana peppers, poblano, and jalapenos. Guess I'm gonna have to get some more little starts to do them. There we go. And then I'll get some more little trays to start the rest, but let me show you how to water them real quick. You just fill up the little tray on the bottom and it just soaks it up into the little seed packs. You get maybe like an inch or so of water in there, and then you just check on it and fill it up as it drinks it up. So, I was looking today and it's supposed to get in the 30s again next weekend. So I think for now I'm just going to leave them sitting on a table by the window inside. And then after it warms up after next weekend, I'll put them out in the greenhouse and they should be good to start growing. So I'll check back with you later and let you see how they're getting started. Bye.